Hey guys, I'm Jessi Malay, and I am already so happy about this video because I get to do it from bed. I just got my baby to sleep and I am going to share my Get Unready With Me routine with you today. If you follow my channel, you know that I usually do a lot of makeup tutorials, piling it all on, and tonight I'm gonna take it all off and I'm really excited about it. I'm super happy about partnering with BioClarity on this video. I got into the BioClarity skin system while I was pregnant actually because I was looking for something that was very gentle and soothing on my skin. And I've been using it ever since. I've worked it into my nighttime routine and I'm gonna share it with you right now. I start off my nighttime skincare routine by thoroughly removing my makeup so my skin can breathe. I like to use a makeup remover wipe because it does the heavy work of removing foundation, mascara, and eyeliner. My skin is dry and sensitive, which can cause dullness and sometimes even breakouts. A great cleanser is so incredibly vital to clear skin. What I love about this cleanser from BioClarity is how pure it is, and because it contains cucumber, green tea, and chamomile, it's incredibly soothing on irritated skin. Twice a week, I like to treat myself to a purifying mask to deep clean my pores. This one contains Floralux, which is a super nourishing form of chlorophyll that gives your skin that lit from within look. I let the mask sit for 20 to 30 minutes while I read or catch up on my favorite shows. I'm currently watching Westworld. And then after rinsing off my mask, I use BioClarity's Restore Gel, which also contains Floralux that helps to reduce redness and enlarged pores. The last and very vital step, hydrate. I love BioClarity's Skin Smoothie because it's super lightweight and breathable and it doesn't feel oily at all. I apply all over my face and neck to lock in moisture and restore my skin's natural balance. And I've really noticed such a difference since I've been using this BioClarity system. Less redness, not as much irritation, and smaller pores. Everyone wants that. Then once I'm done with my skincare routine, I brush my teeth. Duh. I moisturize my hands and feet, and I love using pure coconut oil. It's super, super hydrating to dry, cracked cuticles like mine. I even rub a little bit on my lips too. And then I tie my hair up loosely to just get it out of my face while I sleep. All right, you guys, there you go. My Get Unready With Me clear skin nighttime routine. Please go ahead and ask me any questions you may have in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll be sure to link all products in the description box. I will see you guys soon. Lots more tutorials, vlogs, and even some new music content for you. I'll see you next time. Bye.